Hi, I'm Steve.
And I'm Claire. Join us on our motor adventures. Good morning.
Morning.
So Joe and Ollie are with us at the moment, and we've decided to do a little overnight stay. They haven't been to Ronda before, and we've been a few times, but it's so stunning they have to experience it. So we thought we'd do an overnight stop at a hotel we stayed at in Setenil, which is about half an hour from Ronda, and it's somewhere that's got houses built into the caves. It's really pretty. So we want to go on the bikes, so we're going to have a little bike trip. They're gone in the car. We're going to go to some lakes and mountainous little tracks. And they've decided to go to Caminito del Rey, which is a really lovely walk through a gorge, which we've done last time we were here in May. So I don't really want to do it again, and it's really hard work. So we'll left them to do that, and we're meeting them at the hotel tonight. And then tomorrow we're going to head into Ronda together. So, an exciting route we've got planned.
Maybe a swim in the lakes.
Hello.
Morning.
Yeah, swim in the lakes. We've got our swim stuff with us, and yeah, we've got a little castle, some ruins to look at. It's about 3.5 hours, I think.
Yeah.
All in all to the hotel. So with all the stops. Should take us most of the day. And we've got a little packed lunch, leftover salad from yesterday. Yum. Anything else to add?
No, it's due to be about 29 degrees, so another warm one. So we're going to sweat.
Hopefully not, because we've got our vintage jackets. Right, speak to you later.
Bye.
Okay, so I thought I was videoing and I wasn't. I was taking just constant photos, which is a bit weird. But anyway, I had to stop to put my helmet strap on because I'd forgotten to do it. Naughty, naughty. Anyway, up here we have Casares on the hill. See the lovely whitewashed village. We're only a few minutes up into the mountains and already we've got fantastic views. And wind farm, 22 degrees, perfect temperature. And we're heading past Casares up towards Gaucin, which is another little whitewashed village. I don't think as pretty as Casares, you get really good views from there. But it's still a lovely whitewashed village to explore. So you can see that in the distance now as we come around this corner, that big whitewashed village. It looks a lot bigger from here, doesn't it? I always thought Casares was bigger. Perhaps we haven't done it justice. Might have to do another explore of that. The other thing is, I've no idea where my other headpiece has gone. Earpiece. You know, I had an earpiece. That's what I was looking for when I realised my strap wasn't on. I usually have it attached underneath my helmet. I took my earpiece out, one of them, because it was digging in my ear all the time, giving me a headache. So I've only got one earpiece in, which is absolutely fine. Actually, it brings the volume down significantly. But I usually have it stuck underneath. Must be somewhere in my helmet. Who knows? There's another little whitewashed village over there. I don't know which one that is on the left. No, Ronda's to the right. Friendly motorcyclist. Close up of Casares. villas dotted about, farms. So the route today, I've just put in a few waypoints on the way to the hotel that takes us west of where we're actually heading, but there were some lakes there on the map and a couple of ruins, so I thought it might be nice to explore. They look like quite windy mountain roads, so I'm not sure that they're going to be the best of roads, or they might be a bit hair-raising. We'll see. We could always change the route if we think it's a bit dodgy. But one of the photos of the ruins had someone with a motorbike, so I thought, oh well, then if they've done it, I'm sure we can. Yeah. And the other one goes all the way along a river, which looks really pretty. There's lots of hiking trails as well, so people are obviously going up there to hike. Just hope it's not a hiking road and not a proper road. Can't really, there's eagles up there, but I can't look round and up with the camera. There's lots of eagles when you go to Casares flying around. It's very pretty here. So it would be right to the village of Casares, but we're going on to Gaucin. Oh yeah, that is a result. He's turning off, so we haven't got stuck behind him. Big eagle, hopefully you can see it, flying along with us. Is that an eagle? It's gliding. Oh, there's loads. Wow. So we've got Gaucin up there on the hill. We've got eagles everywhere. One was hovering and we thought it might be great if it dived, but it hasn't. These are lovely swishy windy roads, we like these. Oh, other bikers. So that was a nice little stop. We just met some Belgian guys who are travelling. They've got a place in Benahamis, one of them. And they've come on there. They've had their BMWs flown over and been travelling around Spain. Now they're off to Tangier tomorrow to do a bit of Morocco. So just coming into Gaucin, we're not going through it, I don't think, are we? Oh, we are going through it actually. So anyway, we've had cards printed about our moto adventure diaries with all our details on, so we gave them a couple of cards. They're going to give us a contact for a tour guide in Morocco for bikes, so that would be interesting. That would be much better if we had a tourist guide, wouldn't it, when we went to Morocco? You'd get a bit lost. Yeah, I mean, we're not going to do it this trip, but eventually when we come out again we'll do it. And it's good to know we can get our bikes flown over. I think they said it was €500, but I don't know what it would be from UK. They probably actually were driven over, not flown over, weren't they?
Probably in the back of the van or something.
Yeah. Whereas I suppose they can do it with the tunnel where we are.
All that space there to park in.
Yeah, they just like to stop, don't they? Should we do that?
Yeah.
Get petrol just in case, we never know. Want to get caught out.
Oh, I didn't have to do it, did I? Oh.
Yeah. Going through a little pretty town. said Gaucin train station. Can't still be in Gaucin. We've passed that ages ago. Oh, bumpy. That's the funniest roundabout.
Bit rough.
Yeah. Doggo? Is it? Might catch up in a sec. This is right, because my own told us mine's doing fine.
Didn't mind it that through that town.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you've gone through the town, haven't you? That's why.
I've got, it's telling me go down there, but it's also saying go down there.
No, go straight on, and then we do a left and we're back on that road. It's because it's trying to take you back into the town. You can't stop that step, can you? Can you turn that step off now? And left here.
Get wide.
Right, and then we're on the road again. I have to remember that yours has got those extra steps. Bit off-roading. I think the road could well be like this from now on. Which is okay if there's no other cars coming, isn't it? And if the pavement's not too bad. I'll drop back a bit. Los Alcoral. So we're having fun on this country mountain road that I've found. Because there's potholes, bits of the road missing. Luckily, we've had one van go past us and no other traffic, but it's a case of having to look, oh shit, and see, oh bloody hell, where the big holes are, because it's an absolute nightmare. And then you get a nice bit like this, and then it's back to the crap. The problem is, no one wrong turn, God, and you hit a pothole and you're off down that side of the mountain.
Long way down.
And it's a very long way down. Well, yeah, trees will break your fall. Probably break your neck. So we're taking it very slow. And then, oh, it is a bit ridiculous. Oh, blimey, I went right through that. Steve's very scared that I'm going to come off, aren't you? Are you? Well, it's alright, I just use my front brake. So it's a nice bit now. I do like to find these roads, don't I? Right, I'm going to avoid the bit he went down.
Big hole there.
That's the good thing about going second, you can watch him go down the holes. Mind you, it's hard to see the road, isn't it, where the holes are until you're on them. But I have to say, I'm quite enjoying myself. It's quite good fun, it's a bit of a thrill. But, however, we've still got, oh dear, 44 minutes on this road. So I think we're going to feel a bit sick by the end of it, and I already need a wee. So we're hoping it will get a bit better. Yeah, I'm just so glad other cars aren't coming, because you just wouldn't be able to go past them, would you? You'd have to wait till they've gone past and then pick your bit of road. To Ubrique. Your indicator's still on. Beautiful views. This is a much nicer road than the ones we were on. Right, so we're coming to the lake. We've just gone past a load of deer. No, what were they? Goats. There's lots of horses and stuff. Not horses, what are they? Well, they are horses. Cow. Aren't they horses as well? Or they're just cows? There's animals. There are all the goats in the water, in the stream bed as well. This is so cool.
Not much of a lake.
No, it's dried up, isn't it? This was probably part of it. So we're going to stop here and have some lunch, I think. I'll pull up next to this white car.
Yeah. I mean, there's rocks the other side of the cars to sit on, but there's nothing in it.
Yeah, this would have been the riverbed, wouldn't it?
See what?
Yeah. So we're here in this lovely lakeside setting. We're actually in the lake because it's not full of water. And there's all these lovely cows and calves. And we've just been sat here having our lunch. There's a couple of cars here, but no one about, so we think they might have gone canoeing. So I'm going to walk over to these little calves and see what happens. So this could be the end of me if the mums don't like it, but we'll see. You can kind of guess which calf goes with which cow, can't you? They're so sweet. They're quite young. I thought
thought they'd be quite friendly. Hoping they're friendly. Oh. No, they don't like it. They're not sure. The mums don't seem fast. This little one seems very concerned. Got very long legs. Gentle giants, aren't they? They're not curious, are they? Yeah, I don't think I'll get any closer because she doesn't look very happy, so I'm going to go now.
Right, we're off. Leaving behind the moo-moos. On to our next stop, which is another lake. Might have more water in it. It's a bigger one, I think. I think we ride alongside it, but there is a stop if we want to. It's probably like flies and tadpoles and stuff, isn't it? Is it? Oh, is it? Back onto some decent road. Oh, I'm hot now. 31 degrees. So I wonder if the goats are still here. So we've got 44 minutes till our next stop, 42 kilometres. Hopefully we'll be staying on half decent roads this time. Update on my bike. It appears that my brake fluid has been leaking. Is where I attached my quad lock to the... Oh, there they are. They're having a little hike. Where I attached my quad lock mount to the brake fluid pot. Yeah, it's not been screwed in tight enough and it's leaking. So it's actually taken the paintwork off my sign that says Triumph on the side of my engine. Oh look, they're all hiding in the bushes. Bless them. So you can come out now. I'm not going to run you over. Who's got dangly bits? Udders. Funny, they all know where to go, don't they? And their little trail home. They've got massive udders. They must have just had babies. Unless it's for goat's milk. Yeah, fun fact, when we were in Jamaica on our honeymoon, the guy that was taking us round was saying that in the taxi that the goats, the farmers people let the goats out in the morning. They go wandering off, go and have a little graze, do whatever, and then come back at a set time. Yeah, in the streets. Just go wandering. It's mad, isn't it? Yeah, and they come home at the set time, like 5 o'clock or whatever. And all they do is they show them, like once or twice, where to go and how to get home, and then they get it and they're off. Oh, there's more down there. Little baby ones. So we're just coming through the little town of Ubrique. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's lots and lots of people with mopeds. Mopeds everywhere, behind me, front, trying to overtake us. We've got a left coming up 400 metres. Left. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because we put in the town centre, whereas mine just goes through it. It's a kind of a straight on. Straight on, but up the hill. No, not right. Yeah, you said right, didn't you?
No, I know.
And then there's a sharp left in 190 metres. And then right at the end. Yeah, right at the end. Quite a pretty town, isn't it? Luxury handbags. Oh, Jo would be up going in there, wouldn't she? Wow, that's gorgeous. That's quite big. Very majestic mountains. temperature now? It's come down a little bit then, 29. Yeah. So it's 34 degrees and we're in bike gear. Good. So we had nice ice cream from a little artisan place. It was gorgeous. Steve had pistachio and I had almond, pistachio and honey. And this region is known for its honey. So very, very nice. A bit easier coming back down the hill. So now we're off to Setenil de Bodegas, to the hotel. Joe and Ollie are already there. They've messaged to say they're laying by the pool. Very jealous. And hopefully, it's time now, 4:45. I might get there in time for a quick swim. Coming along this, what should be a massive reservoir. There's not much water in it. Gorgeous. It's like we're on top of the world here.
Yeah.
Oh, my ears popped.
Yeah, maybe we are on top of the world then.
We're coming into Setenil de Bodegas, another beautiful village of Spain. And so we're just going to head through to our hotel. Don't know if we'll see the cave houses. You can see it over there. It's kind of just over that ridge, isn't it? Oh, just had a little peek.
More behind you, really. Over and back.
Yeah, but I was thinking the cave houses at the bottom, you might be able to see, but you can't. We've got some zigzaggies here. Oh, we'll come past the bottom of it. Whoa. Yeah, that was tight. Tight and downhill. Got a little nod.
Yeah.
Oh, where's he going? Or she? Canal. Alright, so we're coming up to the cave houses up this street on the left. Let's go slow and I'll see if I can. Oh, you can just about see them.